Hi, I'm Mitch with Acroname here, and we're at ISE 2025, and we are here to debut our latest USB product, what we are calling the USB EXT 3C. This product is a two-port hub on either side and does bidirectional power and bidirectional USB. We take in 100 watts USB PD on the host side, transmit that over 100 meters of Cat 6A cable, and can provide 60 watts of USB PD power on the remote end. From here, in this demo, we are showing how we can do a BYOD or BYOM situation. Again, power and data go in both directions. So here we have an MTR machine in the back room where we are connected directly to a hub and a Logitech Brio camera. We then extend that. On the other side, we have access to a Logitech Yeti microphone. This is the normal operating procedure of the room, and then we are going to switch those to the other side. This would simulate a customer coming in and directly connecting their computer and switching all the devices now over to this machine and giving them full control of the room. As you see, all those devices that were originally on our MTR machine have now moved over to this machine, giving that user the control of the room. So again, we have our Yeti microphone, we have our Logitech Brio camera, now in an inverted state because the tree has been moved over to this device. When the meeting's over and they disconnect, all those devices then get removed and swapped back to the original meeting room so that the next meeting room can occur. And this is our latest product, the USB Hub 3C, our USB EXT 3C. And you can find more information about this at acroname.com.